How to add Facebook feed to your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create Facebook feed in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can navigate to the edit theme here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see, this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the Facebook feed in this page, in the home page. I will add it here. So I'm gonna click add section here in the template page, and you can search custom, and you will find custom liquid. Click on it, and then you can name it, maybe Facebook page, just like that. And then you can put the code, the HTML code. So in order to get the code, you can go to offsite.com here, and then you can sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widgets here, and then you will find a lot of options here. You can scroll down until you find Facebook feed here. You can click on it, and then as you can see, you can create widget for free. Click on it, and now you can choose the template or the style, maybe like this. If you want landscape or portrait, it's up to you. So maybe I want landscape, maybe this one. And if you think it's good, you can click continue, and then you can, set it up. You can connect to your Facebook account, and then you can customize the header, the menu, and others here, the post, and you can just customize it. And after that, you can just click add. And then this is the preview. So if you think all good, you can just click publish here. And then you can select the plan. I'm going to choose the free one. And then you can just click copy code here. And then you can go back to the website editor and then paste that code here. Then you can wait for a few seconds until it appears in your website. And then it will be like this, it's perfect. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.